So guys, welcome back to the channel Cat Comrade, and in today's video we are going to learn about how to give layers in an architecture drawing. So as you can see, the drawing over here looks so blank and so plain, right? Because it's all white. But you have to give them proper layers and proper properties to make it a very professional looking architecture drawing. So let's say these are the grid lines that are also known as center lines. Then this are the columns, these are the walls, and here are the windows of a common building plan would look like. So these are the most important thing that will need clear indication that what they are and should have proper layers. So how will we add layers? If you don't know how to do it, then I've made a completely different video on it. Go check out the channel. So this is a fresh AutoCAD file. So now we'll add layers on this first option that is right here. If you can see a small sun right there, that is add layers. So first we'll go on columns and we'll choose a color which I prefer to be a skin. Then we'll add another layer will be which is important as wall. We will go with let's say red. Okay, so next we can go is with window frame. Okay, so for window frames we'll go with yellow, and then we also have glasses, so we'll have glass layer and add a color blue which is little lighter, let's say like this. We will go for glass. Anything else is remaining is the grid lines. We will add a color something in brown or ochre, let's say something this will work. Okay, so we are all set with the layers that we have to add. You can add as many layer as you want and as many things that you want. So first of all, we'll change the grid lines line property to default and line type to be as an ISO dash. If you don't know how to load lines, then I've also made a video on that. You can go check that out. That is very easy. Now let's now just keep all the things in the layer. Now they are in def points right now. So these are the three columns that I have in my AutoCAD file. I've given them the column layer. Then this are the grid lines, so I will give the grid layer. As you can see, it started looking very professional, right? So this are the walls, so this walls I will give it as the different layer that I have made it for you. So this are the window frames. I will give them the frame layer. This are the window frames that I will give window frame layer. Then this are the glass that are there in the window. I'll put them in glass layer. Then as you know that this lines wouldn't be shown in the plan, so we will just trim that lines, and the elevation wall will be seen right over there. If you don't know that, then comment down, I'll teach you that also. It's a very basic thing you should all know, but it's okay, it happens many times that you would not be knowing it, so it's nothing a big deal. For that is all I'm here for. You can just comment down your doubts, anything you want to know, you want to learn. I will get in touch with you, or I'll make a video on that to make you understand very easily. So here we are going with nicely with our window frames. As you can see, the drawing is looking much more professional now, and it's also easier to for you also to know that, right? So here it will come the elevation line which I will give in white right here. So this is what a professional architecture drawing would look like. So share it with someone who may need it, and thank you for watching.